You recording? Back at it again with another install, day 2. Same next day that we did the intake. The video you guys previously saw. Anywho, boom, bada, boom. Get a close up on those, son. Sheesh! Listen to this. Get the phone close. Get your hand away from the mic. Oh yeah, magnetic paddle shifters going in. Stay tuned for the updates. Okay, to get your airbag off, which felt like it was the end of the world. See this little hole? You have another one right here. There's these little pins. You gotta push onto them and it'll pop out like yay. And then this little clip goes in through right here. And you just unclip that and then you are good to go and you have your airbag off. Sheesh! Let's hope that doesn't blow up. Now, to take your paddle shifters off, it's gonna be this bolt right here, this bolt, and those are both T15s. You unscrew those, these will fall right out, and then I wanna say it's those little harnesses, but I will get back with you guys once I have those screws off and then these babies are dangling. Last listen. Yep, that's gonna be a lot different. Sheesh. Okay, that only took me about 3 seconds. And listen. No sound. So yeah, it's that little bolt right there. You just yank this little bad boy out of its place, unclip it, and it's that easy. And then you just put your new one. We'll get that, which is right here. I was like, yay, feed the wire through, bolt it on, and sheesh, look at that difference. Okay, it would be helpful if one of these install videos told me I needed to go buy hardware. Hopefully this stuff works and is long enough, because here's the original hardware. Does not thread in. Here is the hardware that it came with. Like, what in the world? Anywho, I'm gonna pop this bad boy open, $1.60 or $1.48 later. Slap into that hole, put this wire back down where it belongs. Stupid freaking wire. Anyway, we'll do that after. And then get to this side, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty easy. But yeah, hopefully those work. Sheesh! Paddle shifters, no. What a demon place. What a demon place, man. Look at the grocery getter. Oh, of course, with my luck. This door doesn't freaking open. Of course, with my luck, the ones I got didn't fit. But hey, we got the right ones, hopefully this time. Anyway, cut to them being done. About damn time. Anywho, GTG suckers. Shh. Look at that. Look at this POV. Damn. Alright. Seatbelt on. Shoosh. Cutting up. Oh yeah. Sport mode. Look at this. Where does it say sport? Oof. We got sport mode in the freaking CX-5. Let's turn. That's fully floored. Sheesh! 0 to 60 in 7 days. I'm losing it. All this traffic about to drive me nuts. Drive! I have a car to build. Go. My God. Sheesh! Got that bad boy installed. Listen. Make sure they're sturdy, because if you're anything like me, you will lose your mind. But before, or that's lame as hell. After, and it just feels so much more sturdy, like in a sport car. You know, downpipe and tune, intake, resonator, delete. First gen B58, 2017 BMW 340i. You kind of need something. Make it more modern, you know. I want to feel like I'm in a damn McLaren. But anywho, let's get the other side knocked out. RQ and we'll be in action. Okay, this is how, well, you need to put the airbag back, you know, tuck this bad boy in there. Whatever. Well, if you don't have 4 different bolts, or 4, and a whole bunch of random parts laying everywhere, you didn't do it right. If you didn't go to Lowe's twice, you didn't do it right. Just joking. Holy hell. Anywho, tuck this wire back. Grab your genuine BMW airbag. I don't think I should be squeezing that. Anywho, plug this wire right here, this harness. Plug that right in there. Click it back in, and you are good to go. And, oh, yeah. Undo your battery so this doesn't explode in your face. Thankfully, I did so. Oh, it's dirty. I did so, and nothing fatal happened. Sheesh! We'll get some driving clips. We might have to hit 180, 160. We might have to hit that top speed just to test these out. We'll see, though. And just like that, you connect your battery, and you are good to go. Let's go on a little test run. Bro, this humidity in Texas. What are we in, freaking Florida? See if everything works the way it should. If not, don't buy Amazon parts. Ugh. Anyway, cut to the actual driving. Alright, make sure you have sport mode on. You're in the yada yada yada. Oh yeah. Ah! My goodness. Uh-oh, and there's a freaking cop. Never mind. It's a Silverado. A Silverado. Why would it be a cop? Oh my god, why would it be a cop? Anyway, they work phenomenally. This is just to improve your driving experience. Let's do another pull for you guys. Definitely made the car feel faster just because of this mod. 10 out of 10 must try again, like the guy on TikTok. Okay, they're kind of loud and obnoxious, I can't lie. I don't know, who knows? It's a cleaner look though. Paddle carbon shifters. Woohoo! Look at that.